Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Well, today is our day 2 style up of the beautiful Grizas. Hello lovelies and welcome. Well, we had a little celebration day yesterday, Canada Day. It was so wonderful. We hope that you lovelies had a great day. The sun was shining. It was so beautiful out. And yeah, we did a lot of white and red and a little bit of black yesterday. It's kind of trickling into today, I must say. It's such a beautiful combination. We absolutely love white, black, and red. It's so classic and classy. Lousje and I just love it. Okay, so I'm very excited today. Today is, well, the other day was so beautiful. I mean, how could you not love every piece? But we have the tanks and the skirt. We just did the skirt in black, which is so beautiful, as you can see. Lovelies, I'm wearing an extra small here. Sometimes in the Grizas skirts, they fit tight and we suggest for you to go up a size. You can always really tell with my body shape opposed to Lousje's. I find Lousje's so tiny that an extra small, even if it's tight, she's okay with it because she's so petite anyways. And some of our brand, like some of the sizing fits on the little larger size because I'd probably be a small technically in any store, small or medium actually in any North American store. But with our brands here, I like that. They fit a bit more generous, which is great. This skirt, I'm just going to point out, I'm in an extra small, so that's good. There's room here, so you don't need to size up in the skirt. The top too, this is an extra small and it fits beautifully here. It's cut on the bias, so it's got a little bit of a drape. It is such a beautiful top. Oh my goodness. I hope you lovelies love it as much as we do. I can't wait to show you it over the dress, which I did. I'll show you pictures of me in it, but look at how wonderful this drapes. And I'm just gonna do a little twirl for you. Make sure none of my tags are hanging out. You can just see how the high-low there, absolutely love it. It pairs beautifully over this skirt. We are just thrilled with this little drop that we curated for you lovelies. So I'm just gonna go over my jewelry. I have some Ziska, this is the Emotion bracelet, ring to match, and then just the little ball earrings. And I put together my own bliss necklace here with the black, red, and the white and red on the black rope. We have a little restock of Ziska coming. It should be here any day. Some of the cords already came in, so those are online. We have some white ones back, which is great. But yeah, this skirt is just so feminine and I love it. As you know, I love my skirts. It's so beautiful. It's 100% linen. It reminds me of that collection Magnolia Pearl. That's it. It's that, like, I don't know, it's a bit like vintagey, and this linen is a little washed and it's fabulous. Love the ruffles on the bottom. There is a double layer here, ladies. Look at, it's got the lining underneath. It's got the flounce. It's wonderful. Okay, so I'm going to show you a picture of me wearing this beauty because I wasn't sure, you know, with the bubble dress, we always suggest doing the shorter tops with it. As you know, that's sort of our signature look, and we pair these up all the time with the bubble dress. But I wanted to see how it would fall with this high-low because the bubble starts here at your waist and it's your smallest part. So you typically don't want to go over it too much with anything too flary, too long, because then I think you would look boxy. But I feel like it worked fabulous. And I think the reason being is that this is a high-low and also you have this diagonal here, a diagonal here. So there's some movement to this top that's breaking it up over the bubble dress. So here's a picture of me wearing it. Here's a few pictures. Let's show a few pictures. So here we go with the jewelry, the red, love. And then here's a picture of me outside wearing it. How beautiful is that? So that pairs up super well. It's gorgeous. And I'm just going to show you a picture of me wearing it with the check dress, the check linen dress with the white over. It's fabulous. Look how gorgeous that looks too. And I have on the shoes with it. It just looks so cool and fun. I just love that look. I'm gonna show you the black, you know, my favorite. I'm gonna do all black. I'm gonna try and jazz it up with some colors for you, but I will be right back. Look at how beautiful this is together. I love the black with this magenta. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's such a great layering look. Just look at how beautiful this falls. I love it. I love the black staple on the bottom, just that blank palette, and then you can throw over whatever you like. I'm going to show you a few items from in the store just to give you some ideas and how good it's looking. I also wanted to put this one together for you. So you got the dress, the tank, and then the sweater. That would be such a beautiful fall look too in September. Absolutely gorgeous. When it's a little bit chillier and you want a sweater over, it's just wonderful. Here's a picture of me wearing it just with the plain black, all black. You know me, I love that. I have chosen to wear some Siriglio earrings, just that pop, that nice big earring. I love the silver look with it. Nice big ring and a bracelet, nothing on my neck here. But as you can see, you can definitely put something, you know, these little rosettes are so cute, so try not to cover those up. Here, I'm gonna show you a picture of me wearing the black outfit with the truffle sweater, gorgeous. And then also the navy, look at that, that's beautiful. Okay, ladies, I'm gonna take my mic and I'm gonna put it right here. Hopefully you can still hear me. Just gonna take the sweater off. You can see how easy this is and what a great look. Look at, I love the fit of this too. It's a very nice here cut in the shoulders. We just had the Linen Love drop not too long ago, ladies. And I wanted to show you this cardigan, this mesh cardi with it, just so you can see. So if you own this, you can see how beautiful that looks together. You can layer over any pieces you like. Because of this silhouette here, everything just works. It's quite fun. I'm going to play with a few pieces here just so you can see. This one I'm very excited to try for you, lovelies. I wanted to show you this vest as well. Look at how cool that looks. What a great, awesome outfit. Again, this is that total layer look, which we love. You know, it's sort of our signature. This is another beauty. It's got so many points with all the asymmetrical. I think it's so fun to show you, ladies, just all different looks that we have in the boutique that can pair up so well. You can see how mindful we shop in our style because all these brands kind of intermingle together, and it's wonderful when you can have these pieces in your wardrobe and just keep making new, beautiful outfits to wear. Last one I'm going to put on here. This is the classic cut loose. Let's brighten it up a little bit. This is a beauty. Look at that. It's a one size and it just falls wonderful. So this pairing of the top and the skirt, you could just see is such a chameleon, and you can just keep layering over it and have so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this curated, beautiful drop from Grizas that we so enjoyed bringing to you. And again, you can mix and match all these pieces and, you know, bring in your current wardrobe just so you can envision it. Even if you have a black skirt, you can grab this top and then you can just play how I did today, which was awesome. All right, if you have any questions, please let us know. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and watch tomorrow because we are continuing on with our 20 female entrepreneur spotlights in Niagara. I am interviewing a wonderful woman that I've known for many years. I go way back. Actually, I went to high school with her brother. So I'm very excited to catch up with her again. And there's a product here that we use every day from her business. So very excited to interview her tomorrow. So watch out for that. All right, lovelies, have an amazing day and we'll see you next time.